Let's talk about sleep. Sleep is super important in our family. It should be as important for you and your family. We have my daughter here, and who is this?
Orangey.
Orangey the chicken, and it's summer vacation. We're gonna unbox. My daughter loves new toys and stuff like that. So this is a travel gravity blanket, friend. So my daughter is sitting on my gravity blanket. We all have one. Here's kind of a funny backstory. So in full disclosure, while there is affiliate links below, we paid full price for these gravity blankets. So I'm endorsing this because they have really been a game changer in our family sleep. Long story short, they're weighted blankets that help you feel cozy at night, okay? And this is a travel gravity blanket. I do carry my 25-pound blanket. I have carried that, I should say, in the past when I travel, but I'm super excited to open up this new gravity blanket that's made specifically for traveling. So as you watch this video, it's summertime, you're probably traveling, and you can enhance your deep sleep while traveling. So should we open this thing up? All right. Is Orangey gonna get a gravity blanket? No? Oh, man. So chickens actually sleep standing up. They don't need blankets like us. They have feathers. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Well, we gotta open it up. All right. So I believe this one is it just 10 pounds? It's just 10 pounds. So it's about half the weight of the blanket that I have. Man, still feels heavy. Deanna was joking, like when we were traveling through the airport with these things, like you get a decent workout, you know? So here's what it looks like, guys and gals. This is the 10-pound travel gravity blanket so that you can have a weighted blanket when you sleep while you're traveling. And again, the science on this, I'll link below to Gravity's website. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, but we love these things. I kid you not, we use them every night. I even brought it to, it's a crazy story. So we went to Austin, Texas at KetoCon. I gave a talk on autophagy there. And then from there, went to California and Idaho, and I was carrying the gravity blanket through, let's see, 5 different flights. People were looking at me like I'm insane. And that's how important sleep is to me. So here is the travel gravity blanket case. We're unboxing this thing. It comes in a nice case. You know what? I can envision myself at the airport, you know, just lugging this over my shoulder. It's got a bigger strap here, so it almost feels like a gym bag of sorts. Not too heavy, just 10 pounds. But hey, if you want to get a workout in the airport, you know, you can do some military presses. You can kind of throw it around if you want. Before we actually unbox it, here's kind of how gravity blankets work. So gravity blankets are engineered to be 10% of your body weight to help relax the nervous system by stimulating the feeling of being held or hugged. So that's kind of how the physiology, the central nervous system physiology works with these weighted blankets. It can help increase oxytocin. I haven't actually looked at all the different studies. I just track my sleep through the Oura Ring, and I'll tell you that when I use a gravity blanket, plus when I mouth tape, plus if I get off my phone at night, my deep sleep is way, way better. And so I'm trying to help you all get way better deep sleep because the quality of your life, your energy is really contingent upon your sleep quality. All right, should we unbox it and unzip this thing? Do you think Orangey is excited? Kinda? All right. So this is the 10-pound gravity blanket, friends. We're gonna unbox it and unroll it. So initial observations, it definitely feels cooler. So I don't have the cooling gravity blanket. And by the way, what gives these blankets their weight is glass beads. And so there's a bunch of little small glass beads in these blankets. That's what gives them the weight. But I can tell you, I mean, just sitting here, initial observations, 10 pounds, like I definitely can feel the weight of it. To be totally real, I do feel more relaxed with that. It does have kind of a snug type feeling. Here, let's just put on your, Nezzy has chicken, all kinds of chicken stuff, but you feel some weight to it? Mm-hmm. So that's it, friends. Links are below. Again, full disclosure, these are affiliate links, but I'm a huge fan of this product. I highly recommend it. Our sleep scores per heart rate variability testing per Oura Ring deep sleep and REM sleep testing have dramatically improved. I'm super excited to now have a travel-sized gravity blankets. I mean, this is gonna make life a lot easier. Remember when we brought that on the airport? Remember you commented and you noticed that I took your gravity blanket when you were at Gamma's house. Mm-hmm. Were you excited about that? You were mad that I was using your gravity blanket on the airplane, huh? So friends, very excited that you tuned in all the way through. Give a weighted gravity blanket a try. This one's only 10 pounds. If you're, close to 200 pounds like myself, you're definitely gonna want the heavier blanket for home use. I bought the 25-pound blanket. Sometimes when my daughter is sleeping in the morning and sleeping in longer than I am, I roll the 25-pound blanket on her and she will sleep for another hour or two. So really appreciate you tuning in all the way through. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn a little bit more about mouth taping, I'll put links below with an interview I did with Dr. Mark Brahenna, a personal friend of mine. Nezzy and I both mouth tape, don't we? So I appreciate you coming in the video. You want to go play with the chickens?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Thanks for tuning in, guys.